Chronic constipation is infrequent bowel movement or difficult passage of stools that persists for several weeks or longer. It can be caused by food, climate change, medication, disease, and stress. Chronic constipation can be very unpleasant and can affect your daily activities. Why do you get constipated? If you are not eating enough fibers, if you're not drinking enough water, if you are eating lots of dairy products, if you are pregnant, if you are facing stress, some medications might get you constipated, some problems in your digestive system, and if you have hypothyroidism. There are many natural ways to help relieve constipation, and you can do it at the comfort of your home. Here are some ways. First, drink 2 to 4 glasses of water extra per day to help relieve constipation. You can also try drinking warm liquids in the morning. Try to add more fruits and vegetables to your diet. Some of the foods and vegetables that you can add are, for example, apples, pears, kiwi, prunes, figs, and sweet potatoes. And lastly, exercise most days of the week. Taking supplements to also relieve constipation is beneficial. Forever aloe vera gel is perfect for people who want to maintain a healthy digestive system. Aloe vera contains enzymes that help break fats and sugars to help run your digestive system smoothly. The gel also helps with irritable bowel syndrome or any other problems of the stomach. You can take 2 to 4 ounces of Forever Aloe Vera Gel per day. Another beneficial supplement would be Fields of Greens. This supplement contains lots of antioxidants and is an excellent green food source. It contains herbs that helps with the digestion and the circulation, like alfalfa. You can take Fields of Greens, 2 tablets per day, 1 tablet for breakfast and 1 tablet for dinner if you'd like. If you want to know more about these products, you can go to our YouTube channel where you will find detailed videos of each product. I am Lean, the nutritionist. I hope you guys liked today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Bye!